Lasermet are presenting the new and improved ICS TOUCH II, a touchscreen interlock controller for operating theaters and medical environments. To start, let's plug in the output cables to the 4-way distribution box. Notice that the output 4 indicator lights up, changing from black to green. Activate the system by turning the key switch, then arm it using the arm button. Notice how the interlock indicators change when the doors are opened, then closed. Once all inputs are safe, arm the system. Users have added control and can activate only selected outputs. In case of an emergency, press the emergency stop button to automatically disarm the system. To release the e-stop button, twist it clockwise. Let's rearm the system and activate output 4. The system can detect when an output is removed and will automatically turn off that specific laser, without affecting other active lasers. Use the key switch to disable the system after use. Now that you've seen how easy, convenient, and safe it is to use the ICS TOUCH II, why not give it a try in your facility? Reach out to us today, and achieve the highest standard of laser safety. Your safety starts here.
Don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on notification bell to stay updated with Lasermet. Thanks for watching.